Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will discuss about how can you take that reverse connection from WordPress website. So in previous video we have successfully logged in our WordPress login page with the help of the WP scan brute forcing. So we just enumerate the user, and with the help of WP scan we got our password, and after the login now we have to take reverse shell or that reverse connection, so we can just try to enumerate more in that server. So basically like in WordPress, just like that any other content management system or CMS always has a way to execute that code so long if you are authenticated. So in our case we'll edit a 404 page template and use it to get a shell on the box. So just go to that appearance and there's a section of editor. So in editor we can see that multiple files to select them to edit and all. So by default it's 2015 theme. If you have more than if you have more themes, so you can choose accordingly. So right now we are using the 2015 theme, which is already selected. So I just click on that 404 template, and in 404 template we can see that PHP code is executed. So we need to change something. So in this section I'll just add that system dollar and then request, and then for execute cmd. So let's check it's working or not. So yes, update file. Now we'll go to this domain, and then it is in WP content, then themes, and then our theme name is 2015 and then 404.php. So when we hit enter, so it's showing that blank page, but we use cmd as a variable. So just cmd equal to id, and yes, we can see that we have that right to execute that commands through in terminal and all. So we can take the reverse connection from here, or we can just change the old PHP file into that Pentest-Monkey file. So just visit for Pentest-Monkey web shell, and we got from their official website. So PHP reverse shell, download. So let's edit, extract PHP reverse shell and just open it, and we have to change the IP and the port number. So IP address is your local IP which is connected. So you can see that 10.8.27.211, and port number 1234, or you can choose accordingly. So I'm just saving and just select all and then copy. Now in 404 page I just remove all things and paste my that Pentest-Monkey code and then save. Now before visit that 404 template, I have to connect with my netget. So nc and then -l listen mode, verbose, and port number, and our port was 1234. So I just enter that, listen on any that 1234 port. Now just reload this page, which is 404.php. So just hit enter, and on terminal we can see we got the reverse file. And for verification we can just check that ID and all. So this is the simplest method if you are want to take that reverse shell or reverse connection through the WordPress or that WordPress CMS. So you can just replace to any file into that Pentest-Monkey, that web shell, and you can easily get that reverse shell. So I hope you like this video. So please like, comment and subscribe. So we'll meet you in next video. Bye bye.